Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 7 of Vlogmas and I had a very lazy morning and I got up around about 11. Yeah, 11. I've had a really busy week and baby girl needs to have some, beauty sleep. I did make some ginger shots just before I started vlogging, and yeah, this thing, I've got a video on my YouTube channel and I would link it in the video. So I made it this morning. That's my immunity shot and it's very good. It's high in vitamin C to keep me going, so I could have that every day. And yeah, the girls are making themselves busy as well. They're tidying up the room and chit-chatting. I'll be doing some DIY around the house, and hopefully I've told these girls that if they get their room nice and tidy, and I'm impressed, we would start the Christmas tree early today. So yeah, I shall speak to you guys a bit later and I will show you a little bit of how my day goes. And guys, for the first time since my chicken pox thingy, I've been able to do like a full skincare on my face, and I am still working. Got spots everywhere. Let's go close. Can you see the spots? All the imperfections that chicken pox left behind. But yeah, I was able to do my skincare this morning, and face actually feels really good. I'll be doing a video. I know some people have been asking about my skincare routine. I'll do a video about my full skincare for morning and night, and I'm really hoping that my face actually clears before the end of the year. But it's progress. I'm not in a rush, but yeah, it feels really good. Yeah, and I did have SPF on my face as well. Even though the sun is not out, SPF should be your best friend. That's one tip that you need to know. SPF should be your best friend. I added SPF on my face after my skincare, and yeah, my face feels so good. This is the best my face has felt in the last 2 weeks now. So guys, I'm gonna have a cup of coffee and I will start my day. So I've got old doormats that I've just removed and I just need to replace it. Okay, so I got an old mat which I pulled off, and I just cut this to size and I'm going to just lay it by the door. Here's the part I cut. Feels good. And then I'm going to be putting my shoe rack back. look of my doormat and get this one off. It looks better. And then I'll stick this rubber thing in front of it so it doesn't move. And yeah, and I've screwed my shoe rack back to the wall, so if you pull it, it doesn't move. Brilliant. I'm just putting everything back into the rightful place.
No, everything is okay. The only thing that I'm gonna do was lay her bed.
I finished my DIY project about 20 minutes ago, and I decided to make myself a little bit of roasted plantain with some peanuts. And this from yesterday. This is the other flavor without the tapioca. This one's got coconut flakes inside. Guys, you know what I'm about to say. At this point, I need to stop this vlog and call it a day. I will see you tomorrow. Have a nice evening. I love you so much. If you've not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Like it, share it with your friends and family. Please drop a comment and I will see you tomorrow. I love you so much. Thank you and bye-bye.